Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Ekta here, and in today's video we are going to unbox my Envy box for the month of November. I have just got my Envy box in the mail and I am yet to open it. So let's quickly unbox it in front of all of you and see what's inside my Envy box for the month of November. Open sesame. So here's how my Envy box for the November looks like. It has come in a very beautifully designed print of autumn and spring leaves in the colors of green, beige, yellow, etc. And the theme for this month's Envy box is handmade. So let's open this beautiful looking box and see what all different handmade and natural goodies we have got inside. So as usual, there are two cards inside. The first card is a discount card which says #ShareTheLove, wherein you can refer your friends and give them a 20% discount on this beauty box. The second card is a beautiful design card that talks about the different products that has come inside the handmade edition of this beauty bag. So as per the card, I think I have received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full-size products inside this box. Let's see all of them one by one. The first product is a lip butter from the Green Meadows. It's a full-size product which costs rupees 400. It's a very transparent, opaque kind of a lip color, and it has quite a soft texture to it. This is a handmade, organic, paraben-free, preservatives-free, no added sugar, no artificial fragrance, no artificial flavor product, and this is best for the severely chapped lips. So I think it's a very good product and very useful product for the winters. The second product is this Fuchsia Verve face mask with kiwi and asparagus. It is again a full-size product which costs around rupees 450. This product is a natural handmade skincare product which is SLS free, paraben free, phthalate free, and the one best part that I always look in my product is that it is not tested on animals. Let's open and see how it looks. It smells quite nice. It has a very mild undertone of kiwi and asparagus, the key ingredients, and I so much look forward to try this out. The third product is from Neemly. It's a shea butter body polish. It's again a bath product and it's good for the rejuvenation and refreshment. It has key ingredients of shea butter, olive oil, coconut oil, raw organic sugar, arrowroot powder, and essential oils from rose and sandalwood. It smells real good, real natural. I have never tried any products from Neemly as far as I recall, so I totally look forward trying this out. Oh yes, it is a full-size product and it costs around rupees 475. The fourth product is a big packet like this. It is a hair protein pack by Earth Naturals, AERTH. It has spiked ginger, lily and soya bean, and it has key ingredients of green grams, black grams, soya bean, sesame, fenugreek, curry leaves, spiked ginger lily, almond power, vacha, which is like Acorus calamus, etc. And this is some kind of a hair pack with protein rich ingredients that can repair and strengthen damaged hair. It is again a full-size product and I guess it costs somewhere around rupees 275. Okay, so the fifth and the last product is from Worth. It is a lip scrub from the Worth. I'm sorry, I'm not able to see the name because there was some spillage in my box. It is again 100% vegetarian, etc, etc. You can smooth away your lip troubles with the sweet coca sugar lip scrub, which is perfect for exfoliating and softening your lips every day. This is how it looks like. It is quite grainy. It is a full-size product, 10 gram, worth rupees 450 rupees only. So well, that's what I got for my Envy box handmade edition this November. And things that I liked about this box are A, all of them are pure natural vegetarian products and they are free from any kind of preservatives, and the fact that these products are not tested on animals make them very likable and noteworthy. Another thing that I liked about this month's box is that all the products that has come inside this box, they're all full-size products and are not any kind of small sachets or samples that you may not use actually. The third thing that I liked about this month box is the product spectrum. Yes, they have a product for all your body, for your hair, for your lips, for your face and your body as well. The products looks refreshing and I believe they are totally a worth for your money because all the products are full size products, and if I have to see the collective price of this product, they'll be around 2000 plus, but what you pay for the box, you pay only 850 rupees. So overall I like this box and I totally recommend buying this box this month.